Do you know why avocados are considered a superfood? It's not just because they're deliciously creamy and versatile in the kitchen. No, these humble fruits are packed to the brim with essential nutrients and health benefits. From being a rich source of vitamins and minerals, to their heart-healthy fats, high fiber content, and beneficial antioxidants. Avocados are truly a must-add to your diet. So grab your guacamole bowl and let's dive into why avocados are the nutritional powerhouse you need in your life. Firstly, avocados are packed with essential nutrients. They're a treasure trove of vitamins, including vitamin K, which aids in blood clotting, vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and vitamin C, key for a strong immune system. But that's not all. They're also rich in several B vitamins that play a vital role in maintaining good health. On top of this, avocados are an excellent source of potassium, crucial for heart health, and folate, essential for cell division. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining a strong and healthy body. Secondly, avocados are a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats, particularly one called oleic acid, are little champions when it comes to our heart health. They take on the mission to lower the levels of bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, while simultaneously, they work to increase the levels of good cholesterol, HDL. It's like a well-coordinated dance that takes place right in our body. Incorporating avocados into your diet could contribute to better heart health. Thirdly, avocados are high in dietary fiber and contain antioxidants. Dietary fiber is crucial for a thriving digestive system. It aids in preventing constipation, promoting regular bowel movements, and even assists in weight management by providing a feeling of fullness. The antioxidants in avocados, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, play a pivotal role in maintaining good eye health. These antioxidants can help protect your eyes from harmful light and oxidative stress. Avocados are indeed a health powerhouse. Lastly, avocados are incredibly versatile and delicious. This green gem has a knack for fitting into a wide variety of dishes. Fancy a creamy dip for your chips? Whip up some guacamole. Want to add a touch of luxury to your salad? Thinly sliced avocados are the way to go. And let's not forget the classic avocado on toast, a simple pleasure that's hard to resist. Adding avocados to your meals not only boosts your nutrient intake but also adds a creamy texture and unique flavor. In conclusion, avocados are a superfood worth adding to your diet. They're nutrient-rich, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Their heart-healthy monounsaturated fats can help manage cholesterol levels, promoting overall heart health. Avocados are also high in fiber, aiding digestion and weight management. The antioxidants they contain are beneficial for eye health. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, adding a creamy texture and unique flavor to a variety of dishes. Stay tuned for more health and nutrition tips. Subscribe for more content.